Hello to all my foreigner friends. Welcome all of you once again to our new blog. Today we are going to see the lifestyle of a poor family from a small village in India. So friends, it has been 2 days now that I have come home from my workplace. Whenever I come home, I finish all the important household work. So today also I have a lot of work due to which I have eaten my food early. And that work is we have 12 sacks of paddy in our house. We have to grind it and make rice. So let's go to work. Today, if there is time ahead, then we will also see our village and we will also see how today's day will be spent with happiness or sadness. So stay connected till the end of the blog. And I would like to say one more thing. If you want to see India while sitting at home, then you must subscribe to our channel because many invisible things of India are shown in our channel which can be entertaining as well as increasing your knowledge. So let's start the blog video without any delay and enjoy it. My cycle is in Jharsuguda, hence I will have to carry paddy on my sister's cycle, and there is no air in my sister's cycle, so I am going to fill air. This is a small cycle and it can carry only 2 sacks of paddy in one go, and I have 12 sacks of paddy, so I will have to go and come 6 times. Some people in the village have air filling machine, so it took me a lot of time to find the machine, and finally I found it at my uncle's house. If I had not found the air filling machine today, my work would have remained incomplete. We had got the air filling machine, but we were not able to set it up. It was set only after a lot of effort. Filling air in the village with the air pump is also a very difficult job. This pump is very tight due to which it is very tiring. Somehow we filled air in the two wheels of my small cycle, but as you know, carrying the sack of grain would probably not have caused as much fatigue as filling the air caused. I have left my bicycle at Jharsuguda, due to which I will have to take my younger sister's smaller bicycle to carry the sacks of grain. And you can see how much trouble it is to keep a sack of grain in a small bicycle. It is a big thing that such a small bicycle does not break down even after keeping such hog sacks of grains in it. The person with whom I am loading sacks of grain on the bicycle is my mother. Just a few days ago, my mother was seriously ill. Yet look at my mother, he is lifting such a heavy sack of paddy. My father has passed away and I don't have any brother, so I have to take help from my mother. And you know, the one who has no one at home has to work in every situation, no matter how bad his health is. Somehow on my bicycle I brought all the sack of rice that we had in our house to the rice mill in our village. In our village we get rice to grind. I did not face much trouble due to this problem. Otherwise I would have to go to the nearest town of our village and I would have been tired. So now I have finished drying the sack of paddy. All the paddy from these sacks will have to mix together and ground together. And this is the paddy grinding mill of my village. After some time we will also start grinding paddy and I will show you also how paddy is grinding in India. The work of grinding paddy is not a hard work, but as soon as the machine starts, a lot of work has to be done simultaneous, like planting paddy, grinding rice, keeping the garbage, etc. All of these have to be done quickly. I did not like to see my mother working. I was tired of working alone, so to help me my mother did a lot of work despite her health being poor. So now our work of grinding paddy is over, and after grinding paddy I brought home all the rice that was obtained. From 12 sacks of paddy, 8 small sacks of rice come out which I had to go 4 times to get. Do you know it's already 2 in the afternoon since I start working at 9 in the morning today. Right now there is a lot of sunshine in India due to which we are sweating, and along with that the rice dust has stuck to our body and we are having a stand itching sensation. So these are half sacks of rice. I had filled the sacks with rice as per the size. It would have been difficult to carry it, so I have filled them in half sack. The good thing is that we will not have to worry about rice for a year because today we got so much rice, and we also get 15 kg rice in a month from ration card. Now the only worry about vegetables. My hand and feet are itching a lot, so I am going to go and take a quick bath or else I won't feel good. So I took a bath, and after coming back I am feeling hungry, so I will eat food. Pakhal bhat, aloo fry and mango chutney has been prepared for lunch at our home today, which I will really enjoy eating. After eating I took some rest and tried to become a mechanic because I have to take this fan to the place where I work. It can be a bit difficult to carry such a big fan in the bus, due to which I wanted to take this fan by opening it but could not open it, and I had to bring it like this. So after all my work has done, I left for Jharsuguda. One of my brothers come to drop me off.
गाड़ी भी पार करे ना परबार खाई खाई करी केते क्लास पड़ी जे बोल देगा
जाऊ छे जिमा के हां जीबू मोर संगे जीबू के मोर संगे हैं
भाई
कन्ने सुबर बात ना चिंता करबो मुई फेर आमी आबा सप्ताह फिर आसमी एथर गोटे अलग लगुच भुआसन गला भाया लगुच कहीं एत सामान बेसी सामान ना से दुईटा सामान खाली पंखा उठे चाउल नहीं जाऊँ भुआसन गला भाया लगुच ठीक भाई मुझे बस हाँ बस मुई बसुचे तुई बस हाय कर दियो While waiting for the bus, it became a little dark and it was also raining. After waiting for a long time, the bus came and I went to Jharsuguda. So friends, finally I reached my room and my friends were also very happy to see me. So that was today's vlog. If you like today's vlog, then you can like, share and subscribe so that you can get to see the best vlog of India. ସମ୍ବଲପୁର ଯେତେବେଳେ ବସ୍ ଚଢ଼ିଲି ସେତେବେଳଠୁ ଝାଡ଼ା ମାରିଲାଣି ହେଲା ଖାଲି କେତେବେଳେ ରୁମ୍କୁ ପହଞ୍ଚି ହଉଥିଲି ଏତେ ଏବେ ଟିକେ କମିଛି ବୁଝିଲ ରାସ୍ତା ପୁରା